Good morning, everyone. So, I am Poonam Kulari. As I told you in the previous video, also I am going to take your history classes. Clear? So, this video I am going to tell you just the smaller or the introduction of the history that what we are going to study in the world in the history of the 11th class. So before starting this, I'm going to tell you that in the 11th class, I'm going to tell you or we are going to study only world history. Okay? World history. So, history is not a smaller thing that is not a smaller thing that like just like a small thing, just smaller time period that you can do, and after that set aside. Okay, we do all the things. We have done all the things. No, it is too vast. Too. Remember, students, it is too vast. But side by side it is too interesting when we start doing few things, like if you talk about the world history, when we start doing the few things regarding the start learning or reading or seeing the videos of the few things regarding a particular country or a particular subject, then we start getting the interest in particular things. Oh, literally, okay, what is this and how it happened and like these type of things. Then we start going deep and it makes us uh, our chapter 2 interesting. Clear? So basically in the 11th class we are going to do study about the world history. Okay, so the next thing is that like what we are going to do in the word history. Word is too wide to the what we are going to study. Are we are going to study upon study all the things that are coming in that whole world or all the countries? No, actually in the word history, or before starting this I am telling you one thing. In the history we are basically in history we are basically sorry in history we are basically doing upon everything we are doing upon according to the timeline. Clear? So our timeline is going to start from the Maya that I am going to tell after a few minutes. But before this I am going to tell you that in the world history we are going to do these four things. First of all, we are going to do about the early societies, like the early human beings and all that, how they appear, from where they came, how do historians know about these things, like these type of things. After that, in the next step, then we are going to study about the empires. Empires, like before empires the civilizations were also there. For example, you heard about in the India Indus Valley civilization. Just like that in the world history there are 11 civilizations that we're going to do about these, but not all 11. Only one, that is the Mesopotamian, that will come in this only. Early societies, Mesopotamian society, early civilization. Then next one is that empires. Empire, does it mean like in India you heard about that Mauryan Empire, Gupta, Ashoka, like that. Just like in the world history there were so many empires and all that. For like for in the that Roman Empire, then after that Islamic empires, then Mongol empires, like these type of the empires that we are going to do in that world history. And side by side the time also changes. Like in the early society, that word that we are going to start from the sixth Maya. अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ that empire. Then after that the empires. Then how slowly our time change or changing the tradition, changing in the changing tradition. Like for example, societies change, social history change, like varna system came, many these type of things come in this changing tradition. And at the last, our theme of this whole world history is the toward modernization, that how we had a path toward a modernization. For example, in these we are going to study about the two, Japan and the China. Clear? These were the actually this is the whole index of our world history that we're going to do in that our world history. And after that, then after that we are going to do in that, like for example, first of all, from the beginning of the time. Look, here it is. This is the beginning of the time, and here it is 6 Maya to the 1 BC that we are going to study. It is going to be very interesting, like how the human that how they came, and like what kinds of, you see these pictures, like how they look like first they look like this, and the shape of then changes slowly, and after that they look like the human beings and all. Then how it appears. Clear? So this is the first our Indian that we are going to study from this 6 Maya. Maya in the sense the million years ago. Clear? Then after that, in the time of that Mesopotamian civilization is our the second thing. There are so many civilization, as I told you, but we are going to do only the Mesopotamian civilization. The reason behind that is the writing and the sitting life. Reason behind that is only the writing. Why we did this? Because this was only the civilization. There are so many evidences found in written form. That's why we are going to do this. So first of all, we started our history from this, and after that we started from the empires that came from 100 BC to 1300. As I told you in the starting of the video, so our empire started. We are going to do whole history according to the timeline also. So as our empire started from the 100 BC to 1300 C. Look here, the Roman Empire that we are going to study. After that, we are going to study about upon the Islamic Empire, then Mongol. So these were the empires that we are going to study. After the empire, 1300, after 1300 and to 1700. This is after 1700 to before 1700. Before 1700, we are going to study about the changing traditions, like the three orders. Clear? Now, and that after that we are going to do about that path of the modernization. In that, industrial revolution came, and the modern world. In the modern world, especially we are going to study upon the study of Japan and China. So this is our whole world history that we are going to do in the 11th class. So trust me students, it's going to be very interesting, because we are going to do in a very interesting manner, not is a boring like that read out the things and just, and no, it is going to be very interesting. So thank you and have a nice day.